What's up guys, welcome back to Cryptos. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I caught this trade right here that is currently running, and I'm going to be showing you how to use multiple time frames to do your analysis on your chart so you can catch trades like this. Alright, the trade is still running a profit, so I'm going to be showing you how to use multiple time frames to do your analysis. Right, first off, when we come to our chart, this is the AUD card chart. First off, once we come to our chart, we are going to be looking out for on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, what are we doing? What are we going to be doing? We're going to be marking out our key levels, right? As you can see, this was the first key level I marked. Before you can confirm a key level, market needs to touch right here, At least market needs to create 3 touches or 4 for you to confirm a key level and to know that that key level is valid, right? So we had this key level, and right now, since we understand that on the daily time frame, the market changed from down to bullish, right? The market changed from downtrend to bullish trend. So all we are looking out for, when you look right here, you can see even when we use our trend line, we can see that we are matching the trend. But why am I selling? Now that's where the question is, and I'm going to be showing you in this video. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on post notification bell. So after the daily time frame, we come to our 4-hour time frame. On our 4-hour, we will make sure we try to identify our zones and also our valid inducement and all of that. So right here, when we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see this was the valid breakup structure, the recent breakup structure right here. As you can see, we had this breakup structure, and this was our last valid pullback, which is our inducement. This was our last valid pullback right here, which was our inducement. And what happened? When you look below it, you can see that this was our fair value gap, or rather our POI, point of interest, that we are looking at to take a trade from. So when we tapped on it, what happened? Immediately market went up. Market went up high as this. So market break this structure right here, giving us a higher low and a higher high, right? So right now, when you look at the 4-hour time frame, you can see clearly that after market did this, market came down to break this low and closing above it. And now, for you to confirm a change of character when market is moving in an uptrend, we have to have this inducement taken out. Now we have this breakout structure. Once we have candle close below this zone, because when you look at it, inducement has been taken out, we have a breakout structure. So any candle that closes below this zone is a valid change of character. So when we look at our chart right now, we can see that we have our change of character right here. So why am I selling? I don't want to take the trade directly from this zone. If I have taken this trade directly from this zone, I would have still been in profit, and my stop loss will just be above this zone. But rather, I choose to, my take profit will just be around this area right here, because this is the nearest liquidity. And now when we went to the 1-hour time frame, we confirmed our zone, right? When we come to the 1-hour time frame, we understand that on the 1-hour time frame, we had, this was not a valid breakout structure. That's why we did not take this trade from here. If market has given us a valid breakout structure, we would have taken this trade from this angle right here, but market did not give us a valid breakout structure. So market gave us a sweep, meaning that market will likely want to sweep and continue to the upside. But we waited patiently, and on the 1-hour time frame, market gave us this change of character. So once we have this change of character, we have our breakout structure, and we also have our double breakout structure right here. As you can see, I have marked it, and now we have our inducement. Right here. And also, if you look below this side right here, you can see, and also liquidity was cleared. We had liquidity that was cleared. we had liquidity that was cleared right here. So that liquidity was cleared, and we can now have a strong confirmation that this market is going to at least break below this zone, right? So that was why we entered this trade. Also, if you zoom down to your 15 minutes, that's the same thing. On your 15 minutes, you can either decide to refine the entry. You can see market went as high as this. So if I have refined it on the 15 minutes, you can see right here market went above this zone. So if I have refined it to this zone, you could have seen that I would have at least have a smaller stop loss and a higher risk to reward. But anyways, it's still the same thing. So this is how to use multiple time frames to do your analysis and also take trades and identify change of character. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll be dropping more videos like this on how to trade. And if you want to join our Telegram channel, link will be in the description below, where we share our trade signals. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.